Hi guys, it's me Catherine. Welcome to my channel. In this channel we talk about how to make money online and especially through freelance writing. Although I also talk about other ways of making money online. So today this is going to be a very short video because as you can see from the title, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for the 100 subscribers, actually over 100 subscribers. It's been such a short time since I began this channel, and hitting that milestone is not it's not a small thing. It's actually a big deal for me, and I'm so grateful. Thank you guys. Thank you for making this community grow. I hope you'll be, enjoying the videos. And apart from enjoying the videos, learning from the content, because I want this to be very helpful to you. I want you to be actually able to make money online as a result of watching my videos. That's my main goal. And just know that it's possible. So as a thank you gift to you guys, I want to give a giveaway. I want to give you a gift. I'm going to reward 2 people, just a representative of the whole group, because I can't do this for everyone. I'm going to give a free consultation to 2 people. So for you to get that giveaway, I want you to comment down below. Comment in the comment section below. Comment why you want to get into freelance writing. So because of that, it means it's someone who's not yet got into freelance writing, or you've just begun freelance writing, so you're still very new to the industry. So comment down below why you want to get into freelance writing. And then the top 2 comments that will have the most likes, those are the people I'm going to select for this giveaway, this free consultation. So I'll check for the number of likes by the end of the week. Today is what's the date today? Today is 4th of October. So on Monday, this is Monday. So by Friday, I'm going to check the comment that has the most likes, and the comment that someone has said why they want to get into freelance writing, and out of those, the ones that have the most likes. So 2 of the ones that have the most likes. So get commenting, and then by Friday, I'm going to choose the 2 winners, and I'm going to give you free consultation for getting into freelance writing. There'll be 2 sessions. So each of the sessions will be approximately 30 minutes, but I'm not going to be too strict on the timing. So even if we take 1 hour per session, that will be fine. So 30 minutes to 1 hour per sessions, 2 sessions. So we will discuss what time we're going to have those consultations. So probably it'll be next week. Yes, so that's it. That's my giveaway. It's not such a big thing right now, but as we continue growing, I'll be giving bigger giveaways for every milestone that I hit on this channel. So I'm so grateful. Once again, guys, the whole point of this video is to say I'm so grateful. God bless you for subscribing. Continue watching the videos. Let me know in the comment section if you're liking the content that I've been posting so far, what you want to listen to, what you want to hear, any information that you want to get about making money online. Just let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, have a good day, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Actually, look out for the next video. It's going to be a really interesting one. It's going to be something not related to freelance writing. So watch out for that video. It's going to come out very soon. I think by the end of today, I'm going to have it uploaded. So bye guys. See you. God bless you. Bye.